You need a license for everything nowadays.
Yeah.
Except for bartending. You don't need a license for that. Common myth. You don't need to go to bartending school. Just start in a restaurant as a busser.
True. Sorry, I'm turning the AC on because I'm dying right now.
Yeah.
Sorry, Arleo. Sorry, I just don't want us both to get hot too. Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. That's nice, huh? Here we go.
Nice. Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today, I'm here with Nikki.
Nice.
Nikki just celebrated her 21st birthday.
Did.
So she is finally starting to drink.
Finally.
Wait, I can only wink with my left eye.
Are you serious? Can you really?
It looks weird when I do it in my right eye. So one more time. She's finally started drinking.
Yeah, finally.
Both of us actually just got off our respective work shifts. We're kind of tired, which means it's time for a nice, refreshing cocktail. Nikki and I used to be co-workers, where the entire time she was too young for me to make her a cocktail, which really sucks, especially when you're like, try our new menu. You can't.
Yeah.
Why weren't you old enough when we were working together so they'd be easier for you to have my drinks?
Now you just have to come over and make them.
Now that you've finally started drinking, what do you like drinking?
I really like beer, actually. Like Pilsners, so I found.
Recently.
You know? And honestly, like, as far as cocktails go, like, mainly I drink beer. So, like, when I do go to a cocktail, I like simple stuff like a vodka Red Bull, but I really like rum. Like, I like a mojito. I can always go for a good mojito. I'm not a tequila drinker, so I'm not into, like, margaritas or anything. That's what I found so far, you know?
It's the very quintessential 21-year-old alcohol preferences.
Yeah.
Do you prefer white rum or, like, the flavored rums?
Just regular rum. I mean, who doesn't like coconut rum, okay? But it makes me, like, sick when I drink it, so I just stick to, like, regular rum.
Because I didn't see Nikki on her birthday, I brought her a late birthday present. I'm a bad person, and the bottle I give is already open. It's a flavored vodka.
I love it. Let me see.
I want nothing to do with this in my own house.
No sugar added, carb-free, zero flat, gluten-free, 65 calories per 1.5 fluid ounce. I'm very excited about this. Thank you.
It's kind of bad because I just don't want it. I don't know if that's how birthday presents really are. We'll see if that bottle and everything else in your fridge works out. What's the worst that can happen? I've made a ranch cocktail. It can't be much worse than that.
God, that's true.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Cool. Nikki had told me her fridge was empty, and I'm finding that's kind of a lie. She's got some interesting things, like this mayo chup and some banana pepper relish. I'm realizing there's really no juice, which is kind of a problem. The only juice that she has is this expired apple juice. Thankfully, behind all these bottles of condiments, there's some kombucha hiding. Perfect. A little taste of the relish, and it's not too bad. Definitely gonna add a couple of spoonfuls. I thought about using sour cream as an acidic component, but I noticed the kombucha is ginger lemon. Kind of perfect for what I need. This vodka is about half the normal proof, so I'm gonna double up on the vodka to get the proper amount of alcohol. Give that a taste. I couldn't really find any small glassware, so we'll use this chicken noodle soup bowl. Let's see what Nikki thinks. Chicken noodle soup, but not actually chicken noodle soup. It's good for the soul, the same way chicken noodle soup is.
It smells like there's like definitely banana peppers in this. My roommate has like a banana pepper like relish or something. Well, I can see the carbonation on top, and then I can smell a little bit of grape. And there's this like sparkling water, grape flavored, I think, that I had in there. Wow. It's weird because like I thought I wasn't gonna like it. Like I made a gross face. Wow. I'm like very impressed by you right now.
Can I have some?
Ooh, careful.
Yeah, be careful.
Not bad.
It's really not bad. You see?
For being what it is, no.
So I was over here and I was thinking like, what would I make if I had to make a drink? And I was thinking I would use the grape sparkling water stuff because it's one of the only thing I have in there to mix it with. I would use raspberry jam that I have in there. Oh, and then I thought like if I was getting super creative, I would just go in my freezer and put a scoop of Chunky Monkey in it, which is an ice cream that I have in there right now.
Yeah.
That's what my thought process was.
It sounds like something we would make here on the Kitchen Drink.
Exactly.
You're the first person to have an idea of what's in their fridge, which is really weird. Like, even the people who have empty fridges, they're like, I don't know what's in my fridge. I'm like, what?
Really?
Yeah.
Because if you saw my fridge, you can see that there's about 8 ingredients in total in there.
I told her she has plenty of ingredients to make
Oh my
drinks out
gosh,
of.
no. I don't know what else. I think I'm stuck there. But honestly, I have to say this is like really good. I'm
Even
not
though it's
even trying to make you feel better or anything.
Oh,
I'm being totally honest.
Nobody ever tries to make me feel better. I'm just that good. No.
It's good. It's good. Is there more ingredients?
What did you guess?
Banana peppers, I don't like the smell of it though, I have to say that. I said maybe the raspberry jam, definitely the sparkling grape,
And then obviously the vanilla vodka.
the vanilla vodka, which I think really complements this.
So since we know what liquor is in it because it's the only liquor here, how much do you think I put in there?
Like less than a shot. To me, it's not super, super strong.
You finally just started drinking, so
Yeah.
it still
Oh,
tastes
yeah.
too strong sometimes.
Exactly, true.
You ready to find out if you're right or
Yes, let's go.
not? Fun fact, there's only 3 ingredients in here.
3 ingredients in this one?
Yeah, it's gonna be the
Oh,
shortest
okay.
drink reveal ever. We're gonna start with the liquor because it's obvious. That liquor was the birthday whipped vodka.
Wow.
What a surprise.
That's the liquor you use?
Oh my goodness. You said you thought there was less than a shot in there, right?
I felt like there was less than a shot in there.
So it's only 25% alcohol, and because of that, I actually put like 2.5 shots in there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay. How
you're
much
right, ethanol.
percentage is a normal?
40%, so 80 proof. So this is a little
That's what I
over
thought.
half.
And they did that because way back when, was it the British people? I think it was
Sure.
the British. They used to get liquor as like payment. So they would light it on fire to prove that it was alcohol. That's the proof.
Yeah.
Call me a bartender.
This won't light on fire because it's, again, only 25% alcohol, but it is still alcohol. The thing you're finally trying for the first time ever. Serious talk, I'd highly suggest not drinking while you're under 21. Drink responsibly. If you're gonna underage drink, don't drink and drive, definitely. 'Cause
Definitely. Get a
that's-
Lyft, get an
yeah.
Uber. It's so worth the money. It's so quick.
Also, if you're over 21, don't drink and drive.
Yeah.
You don't have to be under 21 to not drink and drive. You showed me the grape soda, which meant I was not going to use that because it's already on the forefront of your mind.
You didn't use that?
I didn't use the grape soda.
I'm floored that that's not in there. What is that?
What's in there instead of the grape soda is ginger lemon kombucha.
Really? That is crazy.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
One of the problems I encountered when I was in your fridge was what I didn't see in your fridge, the typical acids like lemon or lime juice
Right, lemon.
from concentrate or real, or vinegar. Thankfully, because kombucha is fermented, and also because it's ginger, that spice can kind of substitute as that
Yeah,
acidity.
and there's lemon in it.
Yeah, and it's a lemonade one. It's not a perfect substitute for a sour, but it works really well when you have nothing else. And there's a sweet ingredient. It's also kind of spicy. And you also guessed it. This part's not going to be as fun, even though it's a really fun ingredient.
Oh, the banana pepper.
Yeah, banana pepper relish.
Oh, it's relish. Okay, cool.
Yeah, you
there
got
we
that
go.
part.
That kind of grosses me out.
And same with the ginger. There's spice in here because it's a banana pepper. It just makes it a little more fun. Livens up the party a little bit.
It's weird because the smell is so strong. When I took it back, my first reaction was like, ew, like that's not gonna be good. And then, I don't know, I think that just the sweetness of the vodka and the kombucha just cut it. Like the taste is there, but it's not as strong as like, in my mind, that flavor would come through so heavy I wouldn't have used it.
I kind of chose this one because we were talking about picklebacks before we started filming. And also, I was just like, where the heck else am I going to find a banana
Yeah.
pepper relish? Like, why
That's true. I think we're one of like the few people that actually has that.
You are keeping Del Monte banana pepper relish business on track. In fact, this is going to be the episode title. If you didn't catch on in the past 40-something episodes, the weird ingredient is the title. Because clickbait, it's not working.
Stop.
So guys, that's Nikki's kitchen drink, where we put in everything
But
but
the
the kitchen
kitchen
sink. Drink responsibly. Bye.
Bye.
Boop. Chicken noodle soup. What if I actually just gave you chicken noodle soup?
That'd be really funny. You should do that one episode, like just bring someone.
Condiments are usually creamy. So I'm like, here, you can use cream in drinks, means you can use ranch. You can use cream in drinks, mayo. Cream in drinks.
True. True.
You okay? Cream in drinks. Cream. Face cream.
So funny.